I'm sure you've heard the news, some cities float, but none quite like this. Picture 20,000 people living above the ocean, where roads are rivers and the only way home is by boat. Ganvia in Benin isn't just a village, it's an entire city built on wooden stilts rising out of Lake Nokue. Here shops, schools, even markets drift above the water. They say the Tufinu people built Ganvi to escape ancient warriors, but some whisper the lake is haunted. So, could you live in a place where the ground is never dry? There's more. Earth's strangest cities will leave you speechless.